That's what I'm talking about.
That's a hunk of fish, man.
Sorry. Is all this smoke in front of my face right now? Do I look very mysterious? Welcome back to The New Healthy. Today we are making some lightened up fish tacos, but first we're gonna head to the fish market. We're gonna give you some great tips on how to select fresh fish. We'll come back here, we'll put together our tacos, and we'll have a little fiesta. We're here at Sexton's Fish Market. We're gonna hop inside and see what looks good and what looks fresh for our fish tacos.
Let's do it.
What do you know?
Hey guys. It's Robin.
This is Robin Bashinsky. He is one of the hosts of Homemade versus the Internet. He is a professional chef and he has a lot of experience with seafood. So he's gonna kind of give us the rundown about what fish looks good and what we should use for our tacos today.
Well, they got lots of choices right here. I think anything we choose is gonna be great.
My eyes are immediately drawn to a grouper. Grouper is a very steaky fish and it's gonna hold up well to high heat cooking. It's gonna take that marinade well, and because of these really wide muscles in here, you're gonna get some seepage in there.
What should I look for as a sign of freshness?
So even coloration, deep coloring, moisture, tightness. Because this is so fresh, it hasn't even started to like pull away from the body of the loin. This is obviously a piece of tuna that has been very well handled. I would go with the grouper.
I think the grouper is the way to go. All right, Roger, do you want to give us maybe a pound of the grouper, please? We're gonna make a really spicy kind of smoky marinade for the whitefish because it's super mild, so it's gonna take on bold flavors really well. So we're gonna start with some chipotle chili peppers, a little bit of olive oil, some red wine vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. It's nice when you have these bold, smoky, spicy flavors to sweeten up a little bit with sugar. It just helps round out the flavor profile a little bit better. And we've got 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. We're gonna go ahead and blitz this up and then we'll start marinating our fish. This is the fish that we selected from the fish market. It is a grouper. It's a firm white fish. It's got a mild flavor, so it's really gonna soak up this bold marinade well for our tacos. It already smells like a fiesta in this bowl. We're gonna let the marinade and the fish hang out for about 15 minutes. They can get to know each other, but in the meantime, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our Facebook page. Leave us a comment and let us know what your favorite fish taco recipe is and which fish you like to use in fish tacos. We are tapping into some of summer's best produce, which is summer squash. We've got some zucchini over here and we've got some yellow squash. And we're gonna cook the zucchini and the squash for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're nice and charred. And we'll cook the serrano peppers for about 5 minutes. These are what serrano chilies look like. So these have a very sharp heat and kind of a grassy flavor profile.
How hot are those?
They're hotter than jalapenos. Do you want to try one? Just bite into one.
I feel it.
That's not good that you feel it this soon.
No.
That's not a good sign.
I gotta have water.
I actually can't believe you did that. That was so foolish.
I'm just weak.
He admits it. All right, these are done. These are looking mighty fine. So we're gonna take these off of the grill and then we're gonna start grilling our fish. Oh yeah.
That is a hunk of fish.
Hunk of burning love. We're gonna let this guy hang out over to the side for a few minutes and we're gonna start warming up our corn tortillas. We're gonna give them a nice little char in the cast iron over medium high. Charring them just brings out the corn's natural nutty flavor. These little bubbles that are popping up, this is what we want. That's a good sign that they're ready to be flipped. We're gonna transfer this to a towel and wrap it up to keep it warm. This is gonna help the tortilla just maintain its integrity while I heat up the other ones. The last element that we're making is a little lime crema to help seal the deal and kind of cool your palate from all the spiciness going on. So we've got a little bit of sour cream over here. You could also use Greek yogurt. And we're just gonna mix this with a little bit of fresh lime juice. We have let our squash cool, and we're just gonna give them a rough chop so that they make decent sized taco filling. And cut this up into little flaky cubes for our taco. And now we're ready to start assembling the tacos. We'll top it with some pico. It's gonna add some nice crunch and acidity to each bite. Now just a little dollop of our lime crema to seal the deal. And that's it, we've got some no fuss fish tacos. They're great for brightening up a regular weeknight. They're done in about 30 minutes. You can use any kind of white fish that you have on hand. And this is just the ultimate summer taco.
Are you about to have one?
Yeah.
Wait, I want one.
All right, you can have one.
Cheers, man.
Cheers.
Oh, wow. Dude, I need a minute. Y'all just give me a minute.
Thank you guys for hanging out with us today. I hope you add this recipe to your summer lineup, and be sure to like and comment and subscribe to our page. Leave us a comment on what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you next time.
Until then, gonna finish off these tacos.